From yesterday. It's all about the African Nations Championships. That is Chan, and we begin with Harambee Stars assistant coach, that is John Kamau. He says that the draw will give Kenyan players a chance to show the world what they are made of, despite being in a group that is touted as the group of death.
The draw is on, and I think the most important thing is the pool that we are in, that is Group A. I think it is a self-motivating pool, and I think when our players see such kind of teams with a high, which are high profile, I think as trainers we have less work to do, because the mental aspect, the players will be on it, and I think it will be also a good starting point, because when you maybe you play a team like Morocco, then again I think. It's a good kickstart. I think, to be honest, in 2 weeks' time, I think we are not ready for that. I'll be very honest, because I think after Mapinduzi Cup, we have 80% of the team ready. But
now, still sticking with the reactions from that draw, Harambee Stars midfielder Kenneth Nguna